Google Sheets has hundreds of functions, but you really only need a handful of them for 90% of everyday work. Today we're counting down the 10 formulas you'll reach for again and again, using the same sales table we've been building across the last few lessons, from simple totals all the way up to a real lookup. Number 10 is up first, right after we set up a small results area to hold everything. Number 10, Today. In row 37, add the label Today in column M, move to N37, type equals Today with open and close parentheses, and press Enter. It fills in the current date automatically and updates every day, which makes it useful for recording when a sheet was checked or calculating someone's age or days until a deadline. Number 9, Combining text with the ampersand operator. Add the label item plus region in M36, move to N36, and type equals A2, ampersand, a space in quotes, ampersand, B2. Press Enter, and Sheets joins the item and region currently stored in row 2 into one value. It's a fast way to build a label out of pieces without a dedicated concatenate function. Number 8, COUNTA. Add the label item count in M30, move to N30, type equals COUNTA with A2 through A26, close parentheses, and press Enter. It counts how many cells in that defined range contain something, which is a fast way to check how many populated rows you are working with without counting them by hand. Number 7, Max and MIN, the fastest way to spot extremes. Add the label max/min in M31. In N31, enter max for C2 through C26, then in O31 enter MIN with the same range. These two formulas return the highest and lowest revenue values without scanning 25 numbers by eye. Number 6, VLOOKUP, for looking things up by name instead of scrolling to find them. Add the label item 5 in M32, move to N32, and enter VLOOKUP with item 5 in quotes, A2 through C26 as the lookup table, 3 for the revenue column, and false for an exact match. Press Enter, and it returns item 5's revenue no matter where that row sits after sorting. Number 5, COUNTIF, for counting things that match a condition. Add the label North Count in M33, move to N33, and enter COUNTIF with B2 through B26 and North in quotes. Press Enter, and it counts how many cells in that range belong to the North region without filtering or counting them by hand. Number 4, IF, the formula that lets your sheet make decisions. Add the label C2 flag in M34, move to N34, and enter if with the test C2 greater than 2000, high when true, and low when false. Press Enter, and the result changes automatically whenever the revenue in C2 changes. Number 3, Average. Add the label average in M29, move to N29, enter average for C2 through C26, and press Enter. It returns the mean revenue across all 25 rows without adding everything and dividing by hand. Number 2, SUMIF, which combines a total with a condition in a single formula. Add the label North Total in M35, move to N35, and enter SUMIF with B2 through B26 as the criteria range, North as the condition, and C2 through C26 as the sum range. Press Enter, and it adds revenue only for North rows without filtering first. And number 1, Sum, one of the most frequently used spreadsheet formulas. Add the label Total in M28, move to N28, enter Sum for C2 through C26, and press Enter. That gives you total revenue across all 25 rows in one calculation. That's the full top 10. Today, the ampersand operator, COUNTA, max, and MIN, VLOOKUP, COUNTIF, IF, average, SUMIF, and SUM. Learn these 10, and you can already handle the vast majority of everyday spreadsheet work, from quick totals to genuine lookups and conditional logic. In the next few lessons we'll slow down and go deep on each of these, starting with SUM, average, count, MIN, and max explained in full detail.